Hello everyone, welcome to SP Global Guru. Today I am going to start very important topic, that is area of triangle. So area of triangle part 1, let us see first basic point. So area of triangle part 1, first point is what? That is the right triangle. So how can we solve area, perimeter and other questions in a right triangle? So you know well, right triangle is what? Any triangle whose one angle is what? That is 90 degrees called right triangle. So just this is the right triangle ABC. So this A, this is B and this is C. This is a right triangle where angle B is what? 90 degree. So this is the base of right triangle. This is the height of right triangle and this is called hypotenuse of the right triangle. Okay. So in the area we need, this is the breadth, base and this is the height. And this is what? Hypotenuse. So what is the important relation? That is hypotenuse H equal to what? That is height H square plus B square root under. If we need height that is perpendicular, we can find what? H square minus B square root under. If we need base, then what is right? That is hypotenuse square and minus H square, that is perpendicular square. So this is the basic concept for right triangle. Now you see area of right triangle is what? That is half into base into height. Half into base equal. If base is given, height is given, we can find easily area of triangle half base into height. If base is given, hypotenuse is given, then first you find height from this formula and then again use half b into it. Similarly, suppose height is given, this hypotenuse is given and height is given. Base is not given. So first you find base from this formula and then apply this formula half b into h. In the same way, that is perimeter. So if we need perimeter of the right triangle, its formula is what? Sum of all three sides. So sum of all three sides means you can add AB, you can add BC and then C. So AB is what? A small h, that is the height, and BC is what? Base, and C is hypotenuse. So when we add all this, we will get what? Perimeter. So perimeter of right triangle, sum of all sides, and area of right triangle is what? Half base into height. Now I am giving some questions related to the right triangle. Now see the first question. The first question is what? If base and hypotenuse of right triangle are given 6 meter and 10 meter respectively, then find the area and perimeter. So what is given here? Base given, that is B given how much? 6 meter, and hypotenuse, that is capital H, is given how much? 10 meter. Okay, and we need what? Area. So area is what? Half base into height. So here height is not given. So first of all you find height. So you know from the figure, suppose this is right triangle and this is A, this is B, this is C and this is 90 degree. So here base, that it is given 6 meter. Here hypotenuse, that is this given 10 meter. And this is what? H, it is not given. So we will find first H. So H is what? That is 10 square minus 6 square root under. So it is 100 minus 36. So we will get what? That is 64. And 64 root is what? 8. So H is what? 8 meter. Now the first question is what? We need area. So area is what? Half base into height. So half multiply base is given 6 and height we have found 8. So 2 3 is 6, that is what? 8 3 is 24. Area in unit is what? Meter square. So our answer is 24 meter square, first one. Now second part is what? That is perimeter. So you know that is perimeter equal to what? Sum of all sides. So now two sides is already given 6 and 10, and we have found height h how much? 8. So sum of all sides will be what? That is 6 plus 10 and plus 8. So we'll get how? 10 plus 6 16 and 8 how much? 24. So this is what? 24 meter. So first answer is 24 meter square, it is area, and second perimeter, that is for 24 meter is our right answer.